And today we're just going to run through a quick video on just demonstrating our T Gola outdoor room fabric system, so you can get some ideas, and it shows our process of our system as you go through it. First of all, we'll just talk about the brackets. Our foot plates are all done on a laser welder. All our brackets are New Zealand engineered, so they're made locally to high test standards. So it's done on a laser welder, designed to take our box section. Our other brackets are CC cut and folded, so you see there's no internal welds. CC cut and folded, so these are all ready to go. We have some industrial overhang brackets, and also to make it easy for you customer, all the brackets are pre-drilled, ready for your fasteners. All our T Gola aluminium has a 3mm wall thickness, so you're guaranteed your strength, and it's all designed for our brackets and fasteners. The other thing with T Gola, we do pre-curved 80x50s, so you can do some really good spans, and it's a really nice, strong, modern look. So basically we generally start with your foot plate, and we set up our foot plates as you do on the job. Cut your posts to your heights. They sleeve perfectly straight over, and you can start working on that. We also have our internal external bracket, which allows you to slot in. You can tick screw those off, tick screw at the bottom to hit your foot plate. That holds it all together. And then you can start building from there. And we also use the 100x100 as our cross beam. So as you're doing your posts and your cross beams, get your level out and just make sure everything's level. Put the level on the top as you're doing your cross beams. And the system allows you really easily to spread your posts, get everything level, and it's all a square profile system. So Poppy and I have just quickly set one up here, just a general design that someone might use. So what we've got here is your feet. They pop in and out, so set that up. Each T Gola extrusion comes with its own plastic fitting to match, so you can hide all your cut lines, and all the brackets are designed to hide all your ugly cut lines too. So you don't necessarily need to cut and powder coat and come back to the job. The T Gola is designed to hide all that, and you can go and cut and install on the same day. So what we've done here is we've just set up a cross beam with our internals. Now the beauty of T Gola is you won't find a better pergola system to set up for your screens. And this system's designed for urban track, so hopefully you'll be installing your urban tracks underneath the T Gola, and you've got all this clean space without any brackets or fasteners to get in your way. Everything will be level because we've leveled everything off. There you go. So there gives you your urban tracks, and your urban tracks with the cassette system will fit perfectly in there. And also as you're doing your corners, you can do corner to corner, and the 100x100 box section suits the screens. Okay, what we've also done today is we've set up the fabric. We generally use the Haytex 700 gram 3 meter wide translucent fabric, which is working really well for us now, and it's rope tracked on 3 sides. And we also allow a bit of a flap at the front to roll into the gutter system, which we've got set up here. 8.5mm is the size of the cord or your finished rope, and that just allows there, you'll get a really clean run on your water coming straight into the gutter, and it's a really nice look. So what I'll do now is we'll quickly cut some back beams. So generally on the jobs we cut everything to suit the size between your posts. So we just cut an overhang, got your plastics in, and we've set up our post top internal externals so they're ready to accept our topping. There you go. You line all your fittings up, make sure everything's clean. And today our system, the customer has decided he wants the tension at the back of the system. So pre-curved, we've included our tension, which just flops in, CC cut and folded, goes into your arch hanger. You can fasten off now, and you fasten off. We'll put one more in just to show you. Just pretending today we're going to put our tensioner in. That's ready to go. And then we have our tension bar. Now with the tension bar, we have a stainless steel 316 150mm bolt system, which allows our customers to easily make the skin and allows you to tension the fabric from the back. And you'll hear it as you come through. You get a really nice tension on your fabric, and there's no system that tensions the fabric better, whether it's a forward tension or a back tension. So we would set that up, set up your tension system, and before you engage your fasteners at the front and the sides and that, we would generally allows you to run along and set anywhere. So today we're going to go, we would set that up to go inside our tension cap, and that would go inside our tension cap. And then once we get in there, we just put the nuts and bolts on, and we start winding through with our 17mm crescents. We start winding that fabric through, and it starts pulling the fabric to wherever you want it. Then you can cut. Once you get your fabric, you can cut and dress nut if required for your T Gola. And if you're only doing any big jobs, we also want you to drop a nut and bolt system through the bottom bar, and it stops any movement on your bigger jobs. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's a bit about Shade, our T Gola aluminium system. Hope the video helps. There's plenty of other designs that customers do tend to do, but hopefully that explains some of the fittings and some of the parts that we use.